Hey guys, welcome back, and oh my god, I'm filming again. It's been like a month, and well, you'll probably find another video before this one. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I know, another review. I'm really tired and I'm making the effort of filming after work, so bear with me if content is not as insanely creative as it could be. Sorry for that sad ass intro. But for today's video, I wanted to actually do a review on the curl line by Verb. I know it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while. Like, I was so excited to try it. I'm always in the hunt for something that's good for my nice bouncy super frizzy hair. And so I came across their line and I was just like, of course, let me try it. It was, I think, in the midst of Black Friday, and I just bought the whole kit because why not? I mean, I first tried the leave-in, then I was like, this is good, so let me try the whole thing. And so I wanted to talk to you more in detail of the whole line and separate of what the whole thing entails. So I want to start out with the curl shampoo. I'm not even halfway through. Like, it's not even halfway, and I've had it since like early December. So when it comes to the shampoo, I really like it. So what it says is mild, cleanse, smooth, color safe. And yeah, I think that's it. Gently cleanses waves, curls, and coils while preserving moisture, minimizing frizz, and promoting a healthy, balanced scalp. So I do think this does the works, and especially I like it because it doesn't leave my hair dry, which is something that I really hate from some shampoos, especially because my hair, again, it's so frizzy and curly that I need as much moisture as I can. So I feel like the shampoo really does its job, as in the sense that I feel like it cleans my hair, but it keeps it very moist. Like some other shampoos, like the Double Curl, I feel like they did keep the moist in, but it didn't clean that much. So I felt like I was overpaying. And with this, I honestly, I'll leave the prices below because I cannot remember for the life of me how much they cost. I will list them individually as well. But so far, so good with the shampoo. I just felt like it does do its job. Although I am looking for a scalp cleanse because I don't know, man. I mean, then again, I do take time in between washes, so I feel like that is not helping me scalp health wise, because I do take time between washes. Like, I'm talking 4 to 5 days because I'm super lazy during the week, so I don't really wash my hair as often as I used to. But I feel like it really does the job. It really cleanses and keeps my hair really hydrated, so I really like it. Now, when it comes to the curl conditioner, this soften, define, and hydrate. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This is already halfway through. I liked it. I mean, from the beginning, I liked it in the sense that it's not super heavy. Like, some conditioners can be like super chunky, heavy, like really heavy when you put them on your hair. And it doesn't feel like they do much. Like, I tried the Shea Moisture, I don't know, some conditioner, and it didn't do much. Even though it was super heavy, it didn't do anything for my hair. Now, I do feel that this really makes my hair super duper soft. I don't feel like it's the best for detangling. Again, I feel like I wouldn't be fair if I'd say that it doesn't work because, as I said before, I take 4 days in between washes, and I know that my curly hair gets super tangled from nothing. So I do think it's fair to say that it does work, because when I do wash my hair like every 2 days, I don't feel like I waste as much of this, because I do like that this is very lightweight. I don't feel like it's heavy at all, and it does the job with a little. It's just because I spend such a long time in between washes, I spend a lot of this product. Like, the difference between these two. Also, I think I started it first. That's also another thing. But so far, so good. Like, I was really surprised because I never caught Verb as something. It's not that they're bad, but I never caught them as something good for the curly hair. I never thought that they could pull it off. But yeah, it was really nice. Honestly, this review is gonna be pretty short and quick because I'm really pleased. And I'd say, oh no, I first tried the curl cream rather than the leave-in. Yeah, that makes more sense. Yeah, so yeah, conditioner, good. If you like lightweight conditioners, because some people might like heavy ones, I personally like lightweight stuff. I don't like feeling my hair taken down. So this is really nice, essentially. And excuse me that this doesn't represent the work of this, but it really does the work. And yeah, it works, essentially. And it is sulfate free. I'm pretty sure it is all that stuff free. I will list it below. All the, oh yeah, it's over here. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfate. So that's all the good stuff. No salt and whatnot. So I feel like it really does a good job for the hair. Now for the leave-in, they have the curl leave-in conditioner, which detangles, protect, and restore. Is it supposed to detangle? What the fuck, bro? I'm fucking retarded. I think I'm supposed to detangle with this. Well, I never do detangle with leave-ins. I do it with a conditioner, so fuck you, Verb. No, I'm just kidding. So this is supposed to detangle, protect, and restore. This is very lightweight. And when I say it's lightweight, like I bought the whole kit together and I think it's this full by this moment in time. It's almost done. It's very lightweight. Okay, so I don't like my conditioners to be heavy, but I do like my leave-ins not to be super heavy, but I'd like them to have a nice, good hold just because my hair is so frizzy that a light one doesn't cut it. Like, if you've ever tried the DevaCurl leave-in, that's like the perfect because it's not too lightweight, it's not too heavy, so it really does the job, but it's so expensive that I'm always in the lookout for a cheaper version of it. I do like this, don't get me wrong, I do like this a lot, but I feel like I need too much of it for it to work. And again, I'll list up the prices below, but it's not that cheap, okay? So it hurts my wallet, but it's pretty good. I mean, if you do like a lightweight and you don't need that much, if your hair isn't that frizzy, I think that this would work. I think that this would work for you really, really nicely in the sense that it will do the job. Essentially, when I put a lot of this, it hydrates. The thing is that I need too much, so price-wise, it doesn't help me, and the fact that it doesn't last that long, I'm not a fan of this. This is the only product that I'm not really a fan of because, again, not very healthy for my wallet. So this is the start of the show that got me into it. I said previously that I tried the leave-in, it was crap. I tried the curl cream. So I saw that they came into that they created this line, and I tried the curl cream because my gel was done. Actually, I was out of leave-in and I thought this was a leave-in and I bought it, and the first time that I used it, I was so disappointed because I'm so used to using so much leave-in that I poured like a bunch of leave-in and it was so sticky and so like annoying because it made all my hair like hard, not hard, but like all pushed together and stuff because this is a curl cream, not a leave-in. So it's supposed to it says shape, definition, defreeze, and repair, and exactly I feel like it does the job. A little goes a long way. I mean, essentially, the best way to use this is by sections. I thought the first time that I just would pour a bunch of shit on my hand and just put it in my hair and that would be it. But no, what I do is I section my hair in 4 when I do it, and then I just use like pea-sized amounts, and it does such a great job. Like, this has substituted my gel for sure. Like, I think it's such a good product and it lasts a long time. This is still my first curl cream. This is not the one that came in the kit. This is the first one that I bought, and it's lasted so long. It seems untouched, honestly. And it's because a little goes a long way. And it's not heavy, but it has I feel like it has a firm hold. So if you put too much, it's gonna get your hair like hard and like sticky. But if you keep a right amount, it actually leaves your hair like really nice for the day, but you can like, do your hair the next day. Like, that was such a big thing for me with DevaCurl that I could use the gel and, the next day I could use it again because it wasn't such a strong hold that it wouldn't like build up so much in your hair. This does build up more than the gel, but then again, it's a curl cream, not gel. But I feel like it's really, really good. Essentially, especially if you have frizzy hair, I feel like this helps a lot with frizz, at least with me. I have very like weird hair, like at the back I have it really hydrated and stuff, and like here I have it really frizzy and crazy and unruly. So I feel like this, when I section my hair in 4 and then, like I do the work of crunching it up and whatnot, I feel like this does a lot of the job well done. Again, I'll list the prices below, but I don't think it's that expensive. And again, you use such a little product and it goes such a long way in doing your whole hair. Like before, I used to like pour a bunch of gel, a bunch of leave-in and put it in my hair. I just need a little bit of that works perfectly. So to sum it up, pretty much, this has been such a short video. To sum it up, the shampoo and the conditioner are so good. They're very lightweight, they do the job, they cleanse, but they're not too heavy on your scalp. At least I feel that's the way for me. Again, the leave-in, if you can't use a lightweight leave-in, I don't think this is the right product for you because it's so expensive and you're gonna need so much of it to get it, you know, to hydrate your hair. I don't think it's the right option for you. Then again, if you do like lightweight stuff, this, like, if you like lightweight stuff, the leave-in, the shampoo, the conditioner are right for you. If you like heavy stuff, I mean like firm holds, this would be the right one for you. I would skip the leave-in. All in all, I would just get like a demo curl, or I don't even know, I'm in the lookout for one. Although I've been told that the pattern line is good, so I'm gonna try that one next once this one's over. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for today. That was like such a short and quick video. I just wanted to get a roundup of all these products that I've been loving and using on my hair, and I wanted to show them to you to kind of give you an insight of what I've been using on my hair. That's pretty much it. And if you've been thinking about buying it, I think it's a good bang for your buck, especially if you get the kit, at least during Black Friday. I got a tote and another hair product, and I thought that was such a bang for your buck, for real. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. It was short and sweet to the point, because I'm tired and I really want to go to sleep. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you've tried this line before, has it worked for you? I don't really know. I don't really have anyone around me who has very curly hair like me. So if you have enjoyed this brand or any other brand, just comment it down below so I can try something else. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!